Welcome to Best Choice. The best Christmas balloon arch is probably one of the most eye-catching decorations you can have for the holidays. Imagine a stunning entranceway, a perfect photo backdrop, or a festive touch to your Christmas party, all thanks to a beautifully crafted balloon arch. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about creating the perfect Christmas balloon arch, from choosing the right balloons to the assembly process. Number 5. Bonropin Christmas Balloon Arch Kit. Looking for the perfect Christmas decorations? This kit has everything you need to create a festive atmosphere. It includes a variety of balloons and accessories to make your party unforgettable. The package comes with a wide array of balloons in red and white, along with candy, star, and gift box balloons. You'll also find a garland strip, ribbon, and glue dots to help you assemble it easily. These balloons are made from high-quality latex, ensuring they are strong and long-lasting. They can withstand various conditions, making them ideal for any event. Whether it's a Christmas party, anniversary, or corporate event, this kit is perfect. Use it for photo shoots or any special event to create a memorable experience. It's easy to set up. Simply inflate the balloons, attach them to the strip, and hang the garland. You'll have a beautiful party background in just 30 minutes. Don't worry about accidental pops. This kit includes extra balloons, so you can quickly replace any that might burst. This ensures your decorations stay perfect throughout the event. What we like? This kit offers a wide array of balloon types, including candy and star shapes. It's made from high-quality, durable latex. If you're planning a big Christmas bash and want a diverse and easy-to-assemble decoration, you should consider this one. What people say? Easy to assemble, like the variety of sizes, executes beautifully in appearance. The foil balloons were bright and good quality, not flimsy. This red and white balloon arch completely transformed the entrance. The colors are perfect for a festive holiday theme, with candy cane and peppermint accents that make it feel straight out of a Christmas movie. The arrangement was full, balanced, and beautifully built. It really made the whole space look warm and cheerful. Number 4. GuassLee Christmas Balloons Garland Arch Kit. Looking for the perfect decorations for your Christmas party? This kit has everything you need. It includes a variety of colorful balloons to create a festive atmosphere. This value pack comes with 101 pieces, including red, green, white, and gold balloons, plus confetti and candy mylar balloons. It also includes ribbons, tape, and glue, so you can easily assemble it. The balloons are made of 100% natural latex, making them thick, durable, and safe for children. You can fill them with air or helium, depending on your needs. This kit is perfect for Christmas, birthdays, baby showers, weddings, and New Year's parties. It's versatile and can be used for a variety of celebrations. We provide tools like ribbon, strip tape, and dot glue to help you assemble the balloon arch garland kit easily. It's a fun activity to do with your family. We are committed to providing top-quality products and excellent service. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like? This kit provides a comprehensive set with a variety of colors and confetti balloons. The balloons are made from premium, durable latex. If you are looking for a complete, easy-to-assemble kit with a festive color scheme, this is a great choice. What people say? The setup was super easy. My husband was able to inflate and set it up within an hour. Easy to inflate and enough elasticity to tie together with ease. It has been 24 hours and so far no issues with any of the balloons popping or deflating. Number 3. Bonropin Christmas Balloon Garland Arch Kit. This kit is perfect for your Christmas party decorations. It includes red, white, and green balloons, along with candy and star-shaped balloons. It will make your party unforgettable. The package contains a variety of balloons in different sizes and colors. You'll also find accessories like a decorating strip tape, ribbon, and balloon glue. It has everything you need to create a beautiful garland. These balloons are made from high-quality latex, ensuring they are strong and durable. They can withstand the excitement of your party. You can be sure that it will last. These balloons are ideal for Christmas parties, anniversaries, and other special events. It's a great way to add fun to any celebration. It will make your event more memorable. It's easy to assemble, just inflate the balloons and attach them to the strip. You can create a stunning party background in about 30 minutes. It's simple and fun to do. The kit includes extra balloons, so you don't have to worry about accidental pops. You'll have plenty of replacements. It ensures you can complete your decorations. What we like. This kit is made from high-quality latex, ensuring durability. It's suitable for various Christmas events. If you want a reliable and versatile decoration that's easy to set up, you should definitely consider it. What people say. There are so many balloons and it's so full. Very pretty and great quality. The latex balloon has a nice shine. Unlike other balloon kit I purchased, these did not pop for nothing. It took a little time to put it together, but it was not difficult to do. Number 2. Christmas Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Get ready to deck the halls with this amazing Christmas Balloon Garland Arch Kit. It includes everything you need to create a festive and unforgettable party atmosphere. This kit is packed with red, white, and dark green balloons in various sizes, along with candy and star-shaped balloons. It also includes gift box and candy cane balloons, providing a complete decoration solution. The colors are vivid and vibrant, ensuring a visually stunning display. The balloons are strong and durable, and can be inflated with air or helium. It comes with all the accessories you need to assemble the garland. Perfect for Christmas parties, anniversaries, or any special event. This kit will transform any space into a memorable celebration, making it ideal for photo shoots and company events. It's easy to assemble. Just inflate the balloons, insert them into the strip, and hang the garland. You'll have a beautiful party background in about 30 minutes. Don't worry about accidental pops. This kit includes replacement balloons, so you can quickly fix any issues and keep the party going. What we like. The kit features vibrant and rich colors, making your decorations pop. The balloons are strong and durable. If you want a visually appealing and easy to assemble decoration for your Christmas party, it's a perfect choice. What people say. The balloons were easy to inflate. The arch was easy to assemble. The kit included everything needed to create the arch. Number 1. Christmas Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Create a stunning Christmas atmosphere with this balloon garland kit. It includes a variety of red, white, and candy-themed balloons, perfect for any holiday celebration. This kit comes with everything you need. You'll find red and white latex balloons, candy cane balloons, star balloons, and even gift box balloons. It's a complete package for your party decorations. The balloons are designed with vivid and rich colors. They are strong and durable, and can be inflated with air or helium. Whether it's a Christmas party, anniversary, or photo shoot, this balloon garland is the perfect decoration. It will make your event unforgettable. It's easy to assemble. Just inflate the balloons, insert them into the strip, and hang the garland. You'll have a beautiful party background in about 30 minutes. Don't worry about accidental pops. The kit includes replacement balloons, so you can quickly fix any issues and keep the party going. What we like. This kit boasts vibrant and rich colors, perfect for creating a festive atmosphere. The balloons are strong and durable. If you are looking for a visually striking and easy to assemble decoration to make your Christmas party unforgettable, this is the one. What people say. Product was exactly as described. I created column arches instead of a banner arch. The colors were great, had enough balloons to create the look. I would recommend. Pretty easy to use. More than enough balloons depending on the size of the space. It's such a good value for your money and easy to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.